Yo, what's up, guys? I am doing a really quick unboxing of a couple of things. I recorded a few unboxings a while back, and I just have not gotten to editing any of that. And so I'm just gonna do a sort of a really quick one here because I got some new stuff that I want to talk about. So we'll go through these two things first, and then we'll get to the bigger package. First thing, got these shoes. I bought these maybe 2 years ago, and they were like a size too small, so I had to send them back, and I never got them again till recently because the price dropped, and I got them for like half the price I paid initially for them. These are Adidas NMD Winterized edition in scarlet red. These things are extremely comfortable. They got the boost midsole. Yeah, so I don't really have a ton of Adidas, so I'm not sure what this is called. But yeah, these things are super comfortable. I might put them on and show you guys what they look like on feet one of these days. I probably won't do it today, to be honest. I'm about to go to sleep right after this. It's up till 11. Oh. But yeah, check that out. Got a little purple patch. I love the colorway. It's beautiful. I had the gray pair too, which is really dope. But yeah, it's really thick. I think it's waterproof. And it's also good for winter. So like, I don't know how these will fare in this Georgia heat, wearing them out and that, but definitely these are great for winter. I can't wait to start wearing them because they're extremely dope, super comfortable, and I just love the sock fit type shoe because I can just put them on and not have to worry about tying my shoelaces. The shoelaces are annoying. So next, I bought these shoes from MLO. You see right there, it's reverse maybe. Excuse me. Which, to be honest, I'm pretty sure they like drop ship these or something like that. I saw the same pair with another company called like Deluxe or something like that. Anyways, they came in this bag. They didn't have a shoebox. They feel extremely cheap. I ain't even gonna lie. It feels like cheap plastic and cheap materials, and especially, you know, having just touched them boosts. And they smell very, I mean, like Walmart smell or something like that. But, you know, that stuff aside, the shoes are, I put them on earlier, they're really light. They're really light, but they look super cool, man. I mean, I ain't gonna lie, I really like the way they look. I do like that they're super light, but also they don't really fit as well as some of my other sock fit shoes. They're a little looser. I'd have liked to gotten this in like a 10.5 or something, but they didn't have 10.5. They only had 11. So I went with this, and yeah, just feels really cheap, but it looks really cool and really nice. I don't know how well these will hold up over time, but I mean, it's a cool look for cheap, you know. These definitely didn't cost as much as the NMDs, even though technically they did because I got these half price. So like these cost about half the price of a full price NMD or something like that, which, you know, ain't bad. I mean, it's fairly decent. I have no idea what any of the letters on this says. It's like TSFD or something like that. No idea who that is. So yeah, that's these, the MLOs. Things are kind of hot. I really like the look of them. I ain't even gonna flex. They look hot. So yeah, I rock these every now and then probably. And they're like, you know, they're sock fit, so that's always a beautiful thing for me. Because I don't like shoelaces. I don't like having to tie my shoes. It's just too much to worry about. So yeah, in my shoe bag, not shoebox. All right, and the final thing, we'll see how easy this is to showcase. But back in 2005, I went to Washington, D.C., and I went to Ben's Chili Bowl, which is a historically black-owned restaurant, and they specialize in chili, essentially. And I remember going there, and I was blown away. I love the food there. Like, I'm a big chili dog fan, big chili fan, and their chili is just amazing. And so when I left DC, came back home, I really wanted to, you know, have some of that chili again. but I didn't get to have any more until 2018, when I went back to DC and found out that they have an online store. And so, Ben's Chili Bowl. So yeah, so I ordered some chili and some Franks online, and I'm gonna unbox it right now for you guys. All right, got the little knife right here. This should be the top. Boom. 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 All right. Now let's see. They have to you gotta overnight stuff like this because it's you have to refrigerate it and stuff. A lot of tape. Got some styrofoam happening back here. Boom. Got the styrofoam off of it. We got a nice little postcard from Ben's Chili Bowl. Check that out. And thank you. Happy grilling. I don't actually have a grill, so these will be fried on the stove most likely. But still, I'm excited to get into this stuff. All right, let's see what else is in here. You got wet stuff, wet paper, ice brick. Keep it cold. Thank God I picked it up when I did. All right, we got a little tub of chili. I'm excited about that. This is sort of expensive, I ain't gonna lie, but I've been wanting some Ben's Chili Bowl for forever, so this ended up being maybe 50 bucks, 49 bucks or something like that for some chili and 8 Franks, eight hot half smokes, if you will. So yeah, that's the gist of it. That's what comes in your package. You get your little chili, and I can't wait to eat this stuff. Hooray me. Take care. Till next time.